In just a few simple steps, you can personalize your Speedify app experience to best suit your needs, and I'm here to show you how. First, make sure to download the latest version of Speedify. You can get it from speedify.com/download, or you can get it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you have the Speedify app installed, run the app and connect to a server by clicking the toggle in the top right-hand corner. Your available connections will be displayed with different colored icons that match the lines in the graph showing your real-time usage. Now, to customize the app, head into the settings menu by clicking on the hamburger icon in the top left corner of the app and scroll down to the preferences section. Here you'll see a few items: notifications, sounds, theme, language, and graph rotation. You like this video so far? Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, Speedify how-tos, and our weekly office hours live stream where we answer your tech questions live. If you click on notifications, you'll see a bunch of different options for customizing what kind of app notifications you want to get from Speedify. There's the stability and security related notifications, Connect notification, captive portal alerts, bypass suggestions, and the stream health monitoring. The bypass suggestions are the ones about, telling you when you hit a website that might possibly be blocking VPNs. Some people find this very useful. Some people think, there are too many notifications, so you can turn that off. Then there's the pair and share notifications, incoming pair requests, pairing status updates, new peer discovered. I think that if you're using pair and share, you want to keep all these on so you know when you have an opportunity to connect to someone else. And then finally, there's the other section that includes, news and special offers, Speedify live notifications. A lot of people like these, knowing, when we're going live, when they can jump on and get customer support. If you're not interested in that, if you want the app a little quieter, you could certainly turn these off. Under the sound section, you can enable in-app sounds. There aren't a whole lot of sounds, it's off by default, but there's some nice little sounds when the VPN connects. I really like it, adds some emphasis. Under theme, you can choose light mode, you can choose dark mode. Default goes with whatever your operating system is set to, so I know on my Mac at night it goes to dark mode, and in the morning it goes back to light mode. I kind of like that, a little bit of variety. Under language, you can choose from our growing selection of in-app languages. So if you don't want to use English in Speedify, you can choose a different language. And finally, under graph rotation, you can choose whether you want our real-time graphs on the dashboard to automatically rotate to the next section every 20 seconds. So it'll start usage and show you latency and show you loss and show you bypass, slowly rotating through. If you like seeing all of your stats, this is a nice option to turn on. And that's it. Hope it helps. Now that you understand more about how you can customize your Speedify app with our preference settings, check out our other video about Speedify's transport mode, because we explain how you can further customize how you use Speedify by choosing the best protocol for your internet needs so you can get the best possible online experience when using Speedify.